Hi everybody, today I'm going to share with you how to do the homemade hot cake. You can buy this flour mixture from the supermarket. There's many brands to choose from. You can try it out. And then what you need also milk, you need egg and also butter. For the butter, you will need to melt it down so that you can use it later. Put the flour mixture in the bowl and then you add in the milk. And whisk it together. After whisk the mixture well with the milk, as I can show you the texture now, okay, and this time we add in the egg. And whisk it together. After you have whisked the egg with the flour mixture, this texture should be, and then you can add in the butter. And whisk it together. And with the butter in, now it's a very silky, smooth texture and is ready to be pan. Cooking of the hot cake, heat up some oil or butter in a pan on the medium-low heat and then put in the mixture. As bubbles start to form in the surface of the pancake, the hot cake is ready for you to turn it over. And you cook this for the next 1 to 2 minutes. And here we have it, our pancake or the hot cake, easy to cook at home, and you can use this for breakfast and also for snacks. And hope you enjoyed this video. So simple to do, and hope you try this recipe yourself. Remember to subscribe to our channel and see you again. Thank you.